Hey, what's going on? It's your girl Tanya, and today I'm going to teach you how to make your own pumpkin spice latte. But first, if you've been looking for a channel with easy and simple 10-minute home strength training workouts, easy and delicious recipes, and free stuff, make sure you check out the description box below, subscribe, hit that post notification. Okay, now back to our channel and let's make some pumpkin spice lattes. For the most part, you're just gonna really need these three simple things, and of course tweak based on your food preference. Hot cinnamon spice tea, I get this over at Barnes & Noble. Also a motivational mug, hello. I used almond milk, you can use rice milk, whatever milk you wanna use. Step one, you're just gonna pour whatever milk preference you choose into your mug. This is just a great way to be able to mindlessly portion control without having to count all that stuff and blah, blah. Now you're gonna pour your milk, substitute, or whatever milk you're using into your bowl. Yes, it's a rice cooker, don't judge me. Then we're gonna turn the stove on high and we're going to boil it. It usually just takes just a few minutes, so really watch it, because if this burns over on your stove, you're gonna have a really hard time cleaning it off. So as soon as it boils just a little bit, turn it off and take it off. Don't let it sit there, take it off of the stove. Pour it into your mug. It's perfect portion. Look at this, how simple. Then I personally cut open the tea bags, and I have a stainless steel straw that I use, and I'll leave that in the description box below. You can get yours. It's really awesome. I love this sucker. And just stir it. Then you're gonna add some pumpkin pie spice with just literally 4 ingredients. Dash a little bit on there and let it absorb for a few minutes. Stir it up and let it just sit there for at least like a minute or two so you can really savor the flavor. And there you go, I can and I will, and you just did it. You just made your own pumpkin spice latte. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's segment on how to make your own pumpkin spice latte, make sure you hit like, comment helpful in the comment box below, subscribe, share this with friends, and in the meantime, remember to give yourself permission to look, feel, and be your absolute best, and I'll see you in the very next video. Bye.